ISO 14155 Clinical Investigation of Medical Devices Complete Compliance Solutions by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello and welcome. If you are involved in medical device clinical trials, regulatory affairs, quality assurance, or clinical research, then this video is extremely important for you. Today we are going to talk about one of the most critical international standards in the medical device industry, ISO 14155 2020 Clinical Investigation of Medical Devices, and more importantly, how your organization can achieve complete compliance, audit readiness, and global acceptance through expert guidance. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we specialize in providing end-to-end consultancy, documentation, implementation, and training services for ISO 14155 2020 standard. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what is ISO 14155 2022 is, why it is essential for medical device clinical investigations, common compliance challenges organizations face, and how URGS can help you achieve full compliance efficiently. So stay with us till the end. What is ISO 14155 2020 standard? ISO 14155 2022 is an internationally recognized standard that defines good clinical practice GCP for clinical investigations of medical devices involving human subjects. In simple terms, it provides a structured framework for planning clinical investigations, conducting trials ethically and safely, collecting accurate clinical data, ensuring patient safety, maintaining scientific validity, reporting results transparently. This standard is widely accepted by regulatory authorities across the globe, including Europe, CE marking requirements, many international regulatory bodies, ethics committees, and clinical research organizations. Unlike general quality management systems, ISO 14155 focuses specifically on human clinical trials involving medical devices. It ensures that patients' rights are protected, risk is minimized, data integrity is maintained, clinical outcomes are scientifically valid. Now, why ISO 14155 2020 is important? Let us see this. Now, the question is, why should organizations care about ISO 14155? The answer is simple. Without compliance, clinical data may not be accepted globally. Here are the key reasons. First, regulatory approval requirement. Many countries require ISO 14155 compliance for medical device approval, clinical trial acceptance, CE marking documentation. Second, patient safety and ethical responsibility. It ensures ethical recruitment of participants, informed consent process, continuous safety monitoring. Third, data credibility. Clinical data must be accurate, traceable, reproducible, audit ready. Fourth, global recognition. ISO 14155 aligns your clinical processes with international expectations. Fifth, competitive advantage. Organizations compliant with ISO 14155 gain faster approvals, higher trust from regulators, stronger global partnerships. Common challenges organizations face. Even though ISO 14155 is essential, many organizations struggle with implementation. Let us look at the most common challenges. First, lack of proper documentation. Many organizations do not have structured clinical investigation plans, ICIP, standard operating procedures, SOPs, proper case report formats. Second is poor understanding of regulatory requirements. Teams often lack clarity on ethical committee submissions, regulatory expectations, audit requirements. Third is inadequate training. Clinical staff investigators may not be fully trained in GCP principles, ISO 14155 requirements, documentation practices. Fourth is weak data management system. Issues include data inconsistency, missing traceability, poor record control. Fifth is audit readiness gaps. Organizations often fail during audits due to missing evidence, non-standardized processes, lack of compliance tracking. Now, how URGS International supports you. Now, let us talk about how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help your organization overcome these challenges. We provide complete end-to-end ISO 14155 2020 compliance solutions. First, documentation support. We help you build a strong compliance foundation through clinical investigation plan, development support, SOP creation aligned with ISO 14155 2020, case report forms, CRF guidance, ethics committee documentation support, clinical trial templates and formats. Our goal is to ensure your documentation is audit ready and globally accepted. Second is gap analysis and consultancy. We evaluate your current system and identify missing compliance areas, regulatory risks, process inefficiencies, documentation gaps. Then we provide corrective action plans, compliance roadmaps, implementation strategies. This ensures a clear path toward full ISO 14155 compliance. Then next is implementation support. We do not just advise, we help you implement clinical process integration, workflow optimization, data integrity systems, risk management processes, quality system alignment. We ensure your organization is fully compliant with ISO 14155 requirements in real world practice. Then next is training programs. We provide professional trainings for ISO 14155 2020 awareness, good clinical practice training, GCP training, clinical investigator training, internal auditor training. Our training ensures your team understands requirements clearly, applies them correctly, maintains compliance consistently. Then next is audit readiness and support. We prepare you for internal audits, regulatory inspections, certification assessments. We help ensure no non-conformities, strong evidence presentation, smooth audit outcomes. Why choose URGS International? Here is what makes URGS different. Industry experienced consultants, practical implementation focused approach, end-to-end compliance support, customized solutions for every organization. A strong focus on audit success. We do not just provide documentation, we build real compliance systems that work in practice. If your organization is involved in medical device clinical trials, regulatory submissions, clinical research, quality management systems, then ISO 14155 2020 compliance is not optional. It is essential. Let URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited help you achieve full compliance. Contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +9173 5945 This is our WhatsApp number also. We are here to support your journey toward clinical excellence and regulatory success. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert insights on ISO standards and compliance solutions. Thank you.